Let's take a look at how to use the reading text tool in Knowt to create reading passages. So all you have to do is go under AI Tools and find the reading text tool, and we'll click on that. And we have a few mandatory fields to complete, one being the grade level that you would like your reading passage to be created for. So I'm going to set mine to 9th grade as an example. We also choose whether we want to specify the number of paragraphs, the number of words, or the number of characters. In my case, I'm going to set it to paragraphs, and I'm going to change the value to 2. The type of reading passage, so we have several different available. You can choose literary, nonfiction, expository, persuasive, fiction, or poem. I'm going to choose literary nonfiction for mine. And the other mandatory field is the topic. Be as specific as possible. You can include standards if you'd like to. You could include a general topic, but the more specific description you can provide, the better the results will be. So for my description, I provided this for a Spanish class seeking a reading passage containing information about cultural traditions during the Las Posadas holiday in Mexico, including children's activities. If I had any additional instructions, I could add them in this text box. And if I had a file to add for more context, I could add that as well. But in this case, I'm going to click Generate and wait for the output. Once your reading passage has been created, you can preview it on the left side of the screen. And on the right-hand side of the screen, we can do the same thing that we see available with other AI tools in Knowt, which is to use the prompts to be able to have Kai make a reading passage more detailed, more concise, being able to rewrite it, and also having the option to type our own prompt into the text box at the bottom to give Kai even more specific instructions. If I'm pleased with the output that I see, I can click the Create button and have the same options that we've seen with other AI tools in Knowt, which is to have the option to assign it to a class, being able to adjust the visibility, and I'll click Save, and now my material's been created.